Good morning, Falcons. I'm Ellie Sullivan.
And I'm Eric Bauman, and this is the Falcon Report.
CBC will be hosting a virtual open house on Thursday from 5 to 7 p.m. on Zoom. Visit the link on the screen or in the video description to find out more and have the chance to win one of 3 $1,000 scholarships.
The class of 2021 senior party is hosting a Mod Pizza fundraiser on Sunday. Enjoy your Valentine's Day with some Mod Pizza and help raise some funds for the senior party.
If you're a YouTuber but haven't submitted your channel to be featured on the Falcon Report, it's not too late. Use the QR code on the screen or the link in the video description to submit your channel. Here's our latest Falcon YouTuber.
Hello and welcome to this side of YouTube. My name is Nikki and today I have a highlight reel for you all for my channel, Q Nikki, in which I am the writer, artist, editor, audio tech, PR and promo person and much more for. And I hope that if you find that you like my content after this, that you go and subscribe, I don't know, check out my videos, do whatever. Alright, so basically, as most of you all know, I am planning a new comic. That is no surprise. Nobody should be surprised at that. At this point, it's practically old news, but I thought I should just mention it anyways. Did I mention that these characters are from my comic? Yeah, because that's a thing. People put like at the bottom of their YouTube videos while they're like making art over here or something. Here's some visual reference from what I'm talking about. Today has been a comic work day, aka I was having a crisis. See, very realistic. Animation, very realistic. I got 3, did I get 3 brands? I think I got 3 brands. I got, oh my gosh. People who come here like art, I hope. Otherwise, I don't understand why you're here, but you know, I'm glad you're here. Stay, you know? Thank you for watching this mess of a video. Hopefully editor Nikita makes this work somehow. I still don't know how I'm gonna make it work. And I hope they enjoyed watching me trying to, oops.
Sophomores and juniors interested in running start next year. There will be an additional Zoom session provided by CBC and WSU Tri-Cities on February 24th at 6 o'clock. If you are interested in running start next year, please attend this event. To register, get the Zoom link. You can go to the link on screen. If you don't register, once we get closer to the event, a Zoom link will be sent out. If you have any questions, please ask your counselor.
Valentine's Day is Sunday. Here's Abby spreading some pre-Valentine love.
Are you looking for some spring and summer employment? The City of Richland and Recreation are looking to hire seasonal workers to fill positions such as aquatics lifeguard, swim instructor, aquatics cashier, recreational flag football officials, and more. Go to the link on screen or the Career Center website and for the link or more information.
Seniors, are you looking for summer employment? Wildland firefighting jobs are available for students who are 18. Training will be available in April and May for the new firefighters. Hiring is on a first-come, first-served basis. Go to the Career Center website for more information.
Here's the latest pets of Hanford.
Don't forget, Thursday and Friday are asynchronous days, Monday is President's Day, and Tuesday is asynchronous. Freshman Group A returns on Wednesday for in-person learning, while grades 10 through 12 in Group A will join class via Zoom.
That's all for today. I'm Eric Bauman.
And I'm Ellie Sullivan, and this has been the Falcon Report.